Introducing the 2011 Chevrolet Avalanche. If you're looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. With a powerful 8-cylinder engine connected to a smooth shifting 6-speed automatic transmission. Find your way easily with the included navigation system. Premium wheels lend a distinctive appearance. Get advanced listening benefits from the premium sound system. The anti-lock braking system will keep you safe on the road. Enjoy the flexibility of multi-zone temperature controls. And memory settings are one of many features. Call today to schedule a test drive.